Hey, welcome back. If you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you how to fix a common but intimidating problem, quick and easy, without breaking the bank. Let's get right into it. So here's the deal. You step outside and notice cracks running through your driveway or walkway. Maybe they're small hairline cracks, or maybe they're wide enough to catch your toe. Either way, ignoring them isn't an option. Over time, those cracks let in water, which freezes and expands, making the problem worse. They can also cause weeds to grow and make your home's exterior look neglected. But before you even think about calling a contractor or paying thousands to have a driveway replaced, let me show you how I fix concrete cracks myself. First, let's talk about why concrete cracks. Concrete expands and contracts with temperature changes. Heavy loads, tree roots, and improper drainage can all lead to cracking. But the good news is, if you catch it early and use the right materials, you can repair cracks and make them look almost new without expensive equipment. Here's what I make sure I have on hand before I start. A stiff wire brush, a small chisel and hammer, a shop vacuum or broom, concrete crack filler for narrow cracks, concrete patch or resurfacer for wider cracks, a caulking gun if using crack filler tubes, a putty knife or trowel, safety glasses and gloves. Step 1. I start by cleaning the crack. I use a stiff wire brush and scrape out all the loose debris, dirt, and old concrete. If the crack is large, I use a chisel and hammer to slightly widen it at the top and create a small V shape. This helps the filler grip better. Then I vacuum or sweep out all the dust. A clean surface is key. Step 2. If the crack is less than a quarter-inch wide, I use concrete crack filler. I load it into a caulking gun and squeeze it directly into the crack, slightly overfilling it. Then I smooth it with a putty knife. I work slowly to make sure the filler gets down deep and bonds well. Step 3. If the crack is wider than a quarter-inch, I mix up a concrete patching compound or use a premix patch. I press it into the crack with my trowel, pushing it in deep. I smooth the surface and feather the edges so it blends with the rest of the concrete. Step 4. I let the filler or patch dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. For most products, that's about 24 hours. Step 5. Once it's dry, I check the surface. If there are any dips or uneven spots, I add a second layer of patch and smooth it out. Step 6. For driveways or walkways that have multiple small cracks and an overall worn appearance, I use a concrete resurfacer. I mix it up, pour it onto the driveway, and spread it with a long-handled squeegee. This creates a fresh, even surface that looks brand new. Step 7. After the patch or resurfacer has fully cured, I apply a concrete sealer. This protects the surface from water, salt, and stains and helps prevent future cracking. Prevention is all about maintenance. I keep my gutters clean and make sure downspouts direct water away from the driveway. I also reseal my concrete every 2 to 3 years to protect it from the elements. One thing I always tell people: don't ignore cracks, even if they seem small. Water gets in there, freezes, and makes those cracks bigger fast. A small repair today saves a big headache down the line. Hiring a contractor to repair cracks or resurface a driveway can easily cost $1,000 or more. But doing it yourself, maybe $50 to $100 in materials and a weekend of work. I've done this on my driveway, and not only did it save me money, but it also gave me a sense of pride every time I pull up to the house. That's it. No more ugly cracks or worries about tripping hazards. Just a smooth, clean surface you've fixed yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more DIY money-saving tips, and leave a comment telling me what project you'd like me to tackle next. Until next time, keep saving money and taking care of your home.